Nous arrivons à présent sur le boulevard Lantivy. Cette longue promenade longeant la mer et bordée de palmiers est directement inspirée de la croisette et de la promenade des Anglais. À partir de 1860, Napoléon ambitionne de concurrencer les stations balnéaires de la Côte d'Azur et ainsi de faire venir à Ajaccio une prestigieuse clientèle touristique anglaise et nord-européenne. We are now on boulevard Lantivy. This long promenade bordering the sea and bordered by palm trees is directly inspired. Le mall croisière est plus à l'est, un second port de plaisance. In front of you, the small Tiderosi port is the oldest harbour in the sea. In its continuity, you will find a commercial port for the ferries making the crossings Corsica, mainland France. The cruise boat, and more to the east, a second marina.
Very good, but looks nice.
Yeah. what we saw as well.
Yeah.
On board on the tube of dream.
À droite, ce monument en granit rend hommage aux résistants. Is that you making that racket?
Travaillez pas.
So, we don't know what that horn was. This horn, siren?
Down there said it's the sound that if they've gone to war,
Yeah.
they practice it every however often.
Do they?
That's what some blokes just said. I don't know if he's right or not. But makes sense.
If they've gone to war?
Yeah, if they've been invaded or something.
Alright.
In the practices. That was a practice obviously. It's a nice cafe over
And
there.
they were in case the Italians are trying to get it back.
Maybe.
Well, we did come down here with the intention of having something to eat, but they're just doing crepes, aren't they, Joanne?
Yeah. Strong throat now. And you definitely won't want crepes.
No, we're not a crepe person, are we? We're obviously still in sunny Ajaccio. Right, my beer, another beer, grand beer, non petit, aussi, another, aussi, cola, Coke Zero, both orders in French, perfectly understood. Stick that in your hat and smoke it. Those who knew better.
I'm not sure beer is the word in French.
Huh? It is beer. Beer? What do you think it is? Which way have you come out? So that's how I should come in. Shall I come in this way?
Can't find any signs saying you can't film. I've read the notes. And suddenly come into my head.
Right, what do you complain about now?
I'm not complaining, I'm saying I don't know why I put the spoon. Then I've just think I've remembered that when you pour it, if you've got a spoon in the glass, it doesn't overflow. Possibly?
No, if you put a spoon upside down your mouth, then onions don't make you cry.
No, that's not what I meant.
Is that not what you're on about? Are you sure? It's a nice bee, like.
What's it called?
Are you there?
Yeah, it's for what?
Are you there?
No idea.
It is, it's got your face in.
I can say, yeah.
It's got your face in. So we came to this place because I was desperate for a pee.
Pissy, as Marino would say.
But yet again, my fantastic lingual skills
Look at you didn't say it in that sense.
has getting us drinks. But Joanne seems to have a massive problem. Not a massive problem that there's a sperm. She has a sperm, a leg sperm in her glass. Right, so as you'll have seen, we went to Cathedral, didn't we? Well done.
Beautiful.
And before that it
Well, I
was.
said I wanted to go to it.
And before that it was a church for seamen.
It's like the Seamen's Mission in Shields.
Seamen's
Like a
Mission,
special
yes.
church. Seamen's Chapel.
It's been a very, very, very pleasant, relaxing experience, hasn't
A
it?
very relaxing day after the last 2 busy days.
In no distance to walk back to the ship. We tried to try and get pizza and chips. I don't know if I said that before, but there's only crepes
Well, I think that
at the bar previous.
probably closing down for the season, really.
But we're basking in some lovely late sunshine, but it's been sunny all day. It's just nice and warm, isn't it?
It's better today.
Right, we might have these and then think about wandering back. Do you think?
Possibly.
We can...
And catch afternoon tea if we're back before 5.
No, afternoon tea. You can wait.
Sausage rolls.
No, I'm not impressed with this. This
I
year.
like them.
Take it or leave them.
I like them.
Take it or leave them.
I like them.
See you later. There she is, there she blows. There she blows. Join. Sortie means exit. Did you know that?
No.
Did you know it? Sortie means exit.
Entree means then.
Au revoir. Ajaccio. Ajaccio. Close ship access Port Corsica niet weer Axel. Hey? Let's go through there.
Sure you're in a picture there though, aren't you? You got it? No, I've got one of them.
Right, do a sensible walk to the ship. Pretend you're not being filmed, but keep looking at the camera. Pretend you've just had an idea. Pretend you now want to go to the toilet. You don't want to go to the toilet. You sure? You meet the posh ones. So that was an expensive toilet visit, wasn't it? Oh. Do we get black toilet paper? What a beautiful, beautiful place.
Look at that over there with the hills. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's a lovely place.
Beautiful.
100% come back here. If another itinerary had Ajaccio, I wouldn't put all in there. I would be quite excited to come
Definitely.
back.
We put back in certainly that second bar.
Oh yeah. The edge. Been near the edge.
Plenty of people in the cabins, just enjoying the sunshine.